Welcome to Bennett GM in Cambridge, your trusted vehicle destination. Discover the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation in sleek onyx black, powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine and only 10 kilometers on the odometer. This rugged four-door truck features black tubular assist steps and a spray-on bed liner for ultimate durability. Inside, front bucket seats with wireless charging enhance comfort. Aluminum wheels complement the bold exterior, while the dashboard offers an intuitive navigation system and Bluetooth connectivity. Safety shines with front collision mitigation, lane keeping assist, and lane departure warning for confident driving. Ready to drive your dream car? Visit us at 445 Hespeler Road or call 519-621-1250 today.